some bubbles to show.
All right, let's let Becca blow some.
Don't drip it on me.
Dip it. And blow some more.
Okay, Mommy, now can we take this to RDFC to show them how I do that?
Oh, we'll see. Let's blow
Unless you
some
fail
more.
horribly. Yeah, I don't think
Stand
you
over
can
there
do
and blow.
What?
Okay, blow.
How do I do that?
Hold it up, remember?
It's all out of bubble soap.
You gotta dip again, and then hold it up and blow.
Let me
It
do it.
wasn't all the way in.
It's okay.
Let me do it.
You're doing good.
Don't wait to spot me.
No, she was just trying to help. Okay, now hold it up.